Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Techwear is like everywhere right now. It's booming since a year and it's one of my favorite forms of streetwear. It's like everywhere right now, everyone's doing it. Well, and the cyberpunk trend, as you know. Techwear is basically athleisure in a more practical way. It's like athleisure wear had a baby with cargo pants, and the baby turned out to be, cooler than the parents, especially the cargo pants, because they're ugly. The baby apparently also played a lot of cyberpunk, so he had to be cool, because Keanu Reeves, bro. Keanu Reeves is always cool. Keanu basically makes uncool things cool and turns cool things cooler. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get into techwear and how to style techwear properly. I'll cover every single thing from like basics and the things you need, the rules that are involved into this fashion, and also how to style different types of outfits, but not in a chapri way. If you don't know how to not style in the chapri way, I've made a separate video in which I've shown chapri style mistakes, so you can click on this card right now and watch it directly, or like it's also linked in the description below. And if you are new to this whole street style thing, or you're basically new to my channel, and if you want to know more about street style, I've made a separate playlist on street style where I explain every single thing from basics to accessories and like advanced level stuff in the entire series. And the series is gonna continue. And this is one of the videos in the streetwear series. So if you are interested, click on the card. Before starting the video, here's a shout out to Shiv Bharsakare. I hope that I said that right. If I did not, I'm so sorry. Thanks for the comment and like the genuine question, I get this question a lot. Here's the thing, okay, I want to make videos in English so that most of the world, like whoever watches my videos, English is something that, everyone can understand, and it's easy to understand as well. So different people from different parts of the country can understand me. This is what I want to do with this thing. I know India has a huge market, but if you think it that way, a lot of Indians speak very well English. We are actually in one of the top countries who speak English. And as that's aside, let's get started with today's video. First of all, if you want some inspiration for the outfits, watch Hobbs and Shaw. First of all, it's a great movie, and the actors in this movie always wear this tech fashion, this tech wear all the time in the entire movie. So it's really great if you want some inspiration. So here are the clothing items or the clothing pieces you need in order to get into tech wear and like style tech wear properly. Remember this one thing, in this whole scenario, most of the clothing items are going to be black, darker in color, or neutral muted colors. The look or the vibe should always be modern. It should not be old or something too flashy. It should be modern. It should look modern, like you're some kind of a hacker or something. If you sit in a cafeteria, you shouldn't get an entry pass because they'll think you're here to, steal people's data. That's actually the best way to know if your outfit is on point. Just wear that thing and try to get into a cafe like Starbucks or something. If they let you enter into the cafe, I don't know, I don't know what it is. But if they don't let you enter, you, my friend, you've nailed the look. This form of clothing has a modern look, advanced construction techniques. They are very comfortable, active as they are a combination of athleisure wear and cargo, as I said. Has a lots of pockets, again, cargo, and well, laminated zips, a lot of zips actually. They have a lot of buckles and stuff. So, well, more of a modern vibe. It should have a modern hacker man kind of a vibe. Basically imagine yourself as a Watch Dogs character. Except you're Indian and you have bigger problems to deal with. Like chapri influence, public with low street style knowledge, anxiety, more chapri influence. Get it? So the items you have to go for are regular fit athleisure wear, which should have like more pockets, and as I showed you the pictures, it should have a similar look to them. More pockets, it should look more modern, it should be athleisure. The fabric shouldn't be too thick like a hoodie or something. Most of them are kind of thin, like your gym track pants and stuff. Baggy jackets with asymmetrical pockets. You can go for symmetrical pockets as well, but in this form of fashion, asymmetry is key. It looks the best, I'd say. Layering is very important in this form of fashion, but as we're in India and it's like too hot right now, first of all, the entire outfit mostly are black, so that's the problem in India. So you have to make sure you don't get a very thick layer of clothing, So the clothing items that you layer with it shouldn't be thick.
Nope.
They should be super thin, mostly breathable. And these things differ from country to country. You have to get into accessories, but the accessories are different in this one. Accessories like buckle belts, techie bags, smartwatches and fitness bands, beanies, not preferable right now. You can go for, gym hats at this. Gym hats would look really good on this. Well, I'm talking about the shoes now. You should prefer black or olive colored leather sneakers, I'd say, or running shoes, For example, the black Air Force One, Adidas Ultra Boost, Yeezys, etc. These kind of shoes go very well with these. Basketball shoes, not so much. If you want some brand recommendations for this fashion type, I'd suggest you go for Nike, Adidas or the North Face. They have the best collection for this, especially in India. But I've also mentioned a few other websites that I feel have, a great which offer a great selection for the tech wear fashion, and they have great pieces to choose from. So I've linked them in the description below, so you can go check them out. Well, none of these brands have paid me yet.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
This is my personal opinion, so just go for it. Now let's talk about the rules in tech wear that you need to follow in order to look your best. Make sure you don't wear too many colors, like bright colors or any fluorescent colors or any like eye-catchy colors. These outfits are mostly monotone outfits. Monotones are easy to pull off, and they're the best if you want to like get started with the whole thing. Always look for good quality over brands or like quantity, because I'd rather have less clothes in my closet which look very good all the time, every time I pull them off, instead having a lot of clothes which are like shit, absolutely shit. I just can't wear any of them. Now, why quality is so important? Well, here's a good example. It's like you give your girl your hoodie because she's cold. So when you give her the hoodie, there are three things that really count, or like three things that matter. The first one is high quality. The second one is hygiene. And the third one is high Kanye West. If you're Kanye West, the other two things don't matter at all. However, as most of us are not high Kanye West,
Nope.
we have to work harder in life. So we have to improve in these two things, that is high quality and hygiene. Trust me, your girl will appreciate that. The next rule on the list is no fanny packs. Say no to fanny packs, just fuck the fanny packs. If you want to pull off fanny packs, don't go for these kind of fanny packs, go for these techie kind of fanny packs. They go with the vibe and the entire outfit. They make the outfit much more better. So go for opt for these kind of fanny packs. If you don't have them, don't wear your normal fanny packs that you have. The next rule is asymmetry looks better than symmetry, because this outfit kind of looks better when it's asymmetrical. It has different pockets on different sides and like different places. So for better utility and like practicality and looks, whatever it is. The next rule is no basketball shoes. This is not a traditional hip hop fashion outfit. This is a little different than our traditional hip hop. So basketball shoes don't go very well with this one. There are a few basketball shoes that will go with it, but I'd suggest you don't go into basketball shoes with this type of fashion. Firstly, you will save a lot of money, and it does not require you to wear flashy shoes. Go for those high top black leather sneakers, olive sneakers, or running shoes like the Adidas Ultra Boost. They look much better. And the last but not the least, no jewelry. You can't pair up jewelry with this whole cyberpunk kind of thing. It does not go with the vibe. It does not look good. So the only things that you can wear with this, even if you have watches, you can't wear your traditional watches with this one. You have to opt for fitness bands or smart watches for that matter. They look better with the outfit. And now let's talk about the outfit types that you have in tech wear. The first and the most simple one to pull off is the urban ninja. It's basically all black. You have to, pair up things that are completely black. Just become a ninja altogether. That's all. Because of the name urban ninja. You get it. So here, the silhouette is very important. As you're completely blacked out, the only thing that's very well visible to the eye without noticing you is the silhouette. Okay. And if the silhouette is well proportional, it's well according to your body shape, it's gonna look its best. If you don't know how to style clothes or your clothing items according to your body shape, which is very important, I've made a separate video on how you can style your clothes according to your body shape in order to look your best. So you can click on the card right here. It's also linked in the description below. The second type of outfit on the list is neutral tone layering. Monotones outfits are great. They are very easy to pair up, as I said, and there are very less chances of you f***ing up the style. But if you want to add other colors, this is the one to go for if you are, kind of want to experiment in this one. So this is the one. As the name suggests, you can go for muted colors in this one. Muted or neutral colors like grey, beige, brown, olive green. And all of these muted colors go very well with each other. These colors are also perfect for summers, as all black outfits can't be that practical. So these are more of a practical solution. And the third type in the techwear outfits is fusion techwear. This is a bit hard to pull off. I suggest you don't get into this like directly. Try out the first two types before getting into this one, because this is going to be a little confusing and you can kind of fuck up your outfit at first. So make sure you get the two outfit types right before getting into this one. In this one, you can mix and match traditional pieces of clothing as well. Again, you have to be very careful. Pieces like good looking cargo chinos or even shorts in some cases, techie leather jackets, athletic jackets, woolen items, etc. Yes, I know it's hard to pull off, but that's why I said that. It's kind of hard to pull off. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why in the comment section below why you did not like this video, so that I can improve my future videos. Also, if you don't know, I'm making a Q&A video based on tattoos. Whatever questions you have based on tattoos, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I will answer all of them in the tattoo Q&A video. If you want to talk to me personally, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I also have my own Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat, and we can create snap streaks and be great friends. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.